Yun, ito. Ma-share ko na ha. Check ko lang kung pareho tayo na nakikita. Ayan. Okay. So, kapag OFW naman po, ayan nakalagay. So, siguro zoom nyo na lang, no? Or i-pause nyo and then screenshot. Same pa rin, kailangan natin ng help seminar certificate, gawa ng account sa homeful.ph, and then mag-login, tapusin ang video, sagutan ng video, automatic madadownload yung certificate. Pakilagay ng maayos yung full name nyo, ha? Wag yung nickname, wag yung alas. Maging formal po tayo, ilagay natin complete name. Okay? And kayo po na OFW, latest job contract, verified by POEA, latest e-ticket. So, hindi ko pa naman na-experience mag-handle ng mga OFW. Pero please, pa-comply na lang po. Latest passport, exit and entry stamp, e-sub, or kung may virtual pag-ibig ka nga po, no? Yung statement of account, i-ano mo na lang po dyan. Okay, ayan. And then, ayan, POEA Overseas Employment Certificate, English translates resident ID, working visa or ICAMA for Middle East workers, copy of valid passport with 3 specimen signatures, TIN ID, photocopy with 3 specimen signatures. Ito, 2 primary government issued ID, photocopy back to back. Any spouse kung meron, and SPA or attorney in fact. 2 primary government issued ID, photocopy back to back, birth certificate, marriage certificate, notarized or consularized, red ribbon, special power of attorney form signed by the borrower and if